Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do the ribbed stitch. Now here is a little template card that shows you how to do it, which right now is a good time if you want to pause or screenshot or whatever. The way you work these is you follow the line, and that's how you wrap your pegs. So for this one, the way you wrap this one is you go around your first, then you go right across and you go over. You go 2, up 2, down 2, up 2, down 2, up 2, down 2, up 2, down 2, up. So this is what your first row looks like. Now, when you do your second row, this is the cast on, you just follow that exact same pattern. And to finish off the cast on, you just go both sides, take that bottom loop, put it over the top loop, go to the other side, take that bottom loop over the top loop, oops, and that's it. That's your cast on. Push this down so you can see what the cast on looks like. That is your cast on for the rib stitch. And it's super stretchy. It's a really nice stitch. So as you can see, where you have the 2, then you do the 2 on the other side, so the rib will be on the other side. So the ribs alternate sides, and it gives it a really nice look. Alright, well I hope you liked that video. If you have any questions at all, comment below.